we're screwing the first channel of the door, the shower door, to the wall, and then a piece of glass will slide into this. We have one more to do here. Okay, we finished the shower door installation, which was quite a project. We did have directions, and we went step by step, and we still had trouble putting it together. It was really quite a process. We had all kinds of support pieces to put together. We found out that we had to put them together as we went. We couldn't put it all together at once and bring it in and set it in place. There's still a little bit of fine adjustment that needs to be done, and we'll do that later. And we still need to finish the caulking inside and out and all the little places that need to be caulked. This was definitely the hardest part of this job. It was very intense, let's say. Anyways, it's in, it works, and we're ready to finish up with the caulking.